Hello everyone, this is Teresa with Empire Property Management. Today I will be going over how you can pull your owner statement online through your owner portal. First, you're going to go to our website, which is empirepropertymanagement.net or empirepm.net, and you're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page. You're going to see a section that says owner login right here. I'm going to click on that. And it's going to take you to this page right here. And you're going to click on owner login. Okay, so at this point you're going to need a username and password. If you do not have a username or password, please contact our office to set up an account and they will take care of that for you. So you're going to enter in your username, which is most likely the email address associated with your account, and then the password. Okay, so this is the front page that you're going to see when you log in, and it's going to show the income received in the last 3 months right here. So you're going to see there's a rent income of $1,200 received for the past 3 months, and it equaled an amount of $3,600 at the end. Since this is a sample owner account, you're not going to see expenses right here. But we will show you what a rental owner statement looks like with expenses on it later on in the video. So moving on to how you pull a rental owner statement, you're going to go to the right hand side of the page and you're going to see reports right here. And you're going to scroll down a little bit and you're going to see in the middle on the bottom it's going to say rental owner statement. You're going to click on that. You're going to see a bunch of filter options up on the top here. So properties, you can choose it for all your rentals. The only option for this one is Heavenly Rental Road, which is the sample property for the sample owner account. And you're going to see the date range. You can choose, there's a lot of options. You can choose year to date. And there's last year, you can choose that, that's quite common. And then what you're most likely going to be choosing is the current period, which in this case would be November 19th. And you're going to want to make sure that you have these two boxes checked for income statement and transaction details. And then you're going to run report. All right, so this is pretty basic since this is a sample owner account. You're going to see rent income right here for income, and down below you're going to see the transaction from the tenant showing that the tenant John Smith paid $1,200 in rent on the 1st. And there are no subtractions to cash since this is a sample statement, but if we go over here, show you what an actual statement looks like. Alright, so just a brief overview. Beginning cash balance, that's usually the tenant security deposit, which in this case is $3,000. You're going to see income for this month, which is $2,000. Owner contributions, does not appear that there were any, and there were no other additions. Overall expenses were $290. And you'll see that rent income was $2,000. There was a landscaping charge of $110, and the management fee was $180, which totaled $290 for total expenses, which left the property with a net income of $1,710 right here. And then you're going to see the additions to cash. It's going to show, it's going to be the property address right here. you're going to see what income account it was. So if you have a tenant that is paying both utilities and rent, it'll split them apart and show that. In this case, it's just rent income. It's going to show the tenant's name here, and it's going to show the amount that they paid. And then you're going to see subtractions from cash. It's going to show what it was. So you have the property address right here, but then you also have the account that is for. In this case, it's management fees. You'll have the vendor right here, a description of the charge right here, and then the amount. And the same for this one. You'll see landscaping, and it was for roof moss treatment in the amount of $110. So it's pretty easy to pull this kind of statement. You go to, in order to print this out or get a PDF of it, you can go back to the website, your rental owner's statement, and you're going to hit print report, and you're going to print it right there. And you can also download a PDF right here. Hit PDF, export, and there you have your statement. So if you have any questions or concerns regarding this, you can please contact our office, and they will help you or direct you towards someone who can. And as always, happy landlording.